Dell Technologies and Meta to drive generative AI innovation with Llama 2 on-premises. Hexagon connects shop floor processes with real-time information in productivity-boosting Nexus Connected Worker suite. A feast for your eyes, MSI unveils QD-OLED technology. Vertiv India granted patents for passive cooling and improved battery safety in IT enclosures. ESET research, infamous IoT botnet Motzi taken down via a kill switch. Kingston Fury DDR4 UDIMMs get a new look. Canon introduces Image Press V1350, defining new standards in color production printing. Logitech introduces MK370 combo for enhanced business security and productivity in India. ASUS strengthens Pan-India retail strategy with the launch of exclusive store in Gurugram. Fortinet expands universal SASE coverage with 2 new India-based data centers. Please visit www.ncnonline.net to read full reports.